Hello guys, my name is Charles Kings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I will be showing you how you can start making money without you having to deposit. As a forex trader, or even if you are not a forex trader, I will be showing you how you can start making free money online in 2025. Now in this video, I will be showing you how you can get a free $100 no deposit bonus that is real and withdrawable. And as you can see right here on my screen, these are the withdrawal proofs that we have about them. I have posted it before and I've uploaded it before, and a lot of people have been able to withdraw. As you can see, this is the proof right here on my screen. So now I'll be showing you how you can get this bonus, where to get this bonus from, and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profits. But before we proceed, if you know that you don't want to miss out on free money making opportunity in 2025, kindly hit the subscription button right now, turn on your notification button, and join my Telegram channel if you know that you're interested in making money every day before it's too late. I'm afraid if you don't do that now, this might be the last time you're probably going to see us. So now that you're done subscribing, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be pinned here. Click on the link and you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel. In there, we usually share money making updates, and in there you'll find the link to get this free $100 no deposit bonus. So once you click on the link, it will lead you to this home page where you're going to be getting your free $100 no deposit bonus. So once you get to this home page, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on register, because this is the first time you will be getting this $100 no deposit bonus. So click on register, and once you click on register, wait for it to load. So once you click on register, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. It's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to enter your full name, your country, your phone number, your email, and click on continue. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So now that you are done filling in the necessary details, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to verify your email account. You have to verify a code has been sent to your email account. So go there and activate your account by putting the code in this space. So once you put in the code, click on confirm. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So now that you are done, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. And I want you to note that you can only use your MT4 trader platform to trade this free $100 no deposit bonus. You can use any other platform. You can only use your MT4 trader platform. All right. So the next thing for you to do once you get to this interface is for you to click on open account. As you can see, congratulations, you have successfully registered your personal area and opened a trading account. So this is a trading account, and these are your login details for your MT4 trader platform. These are your login details, but now we have not yet claimed our $100. So now if you copy your login details and you paste it on your Meta 4 trader platform, you won't see your balance. You will see your balance, but your balance will be $0.0. All right. So now let's go and claim the free $100 no deposit bonus. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your Play Store and download this app. The name of this broker that we are going to be using, which is XShift. So let's go. So once you are done downloading, this is your login details that you are going to be using to log in on the broker. This is it down here. This is your login, your password that you're going to be using to log in to a personal area. So now make sure you copy them along, because you already know your password, that won't be necessary. You already know your email, that won't be necessary, but the password that was given to you will be necessary, right? So copy the password. So as you can see, this is the name of the broker, XShift. So the next thing for you to do is for you to install it. Install it. So now that you are done installing it, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on open. For you to click on open. So be patient for it to load. Be patient for it to load. We have a lot of things to do here, so you have to pay attention and make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on the positive part and the important part, because if you miss any chance or any step in this process, you won't be able to get this $100 no deposit bonus. So you have to pay full attention. So enter your email over here and click on this arrow. So once you click on it, a code will be sent to your email. The next thing for you to do is for you to copy the code and paste it in this space. So once you're done, click on the arrow that is down below. Click on the arrow and you'll be taken to the next place. So once you're done with that step, it will bring you to somewhere like this whereby you have to set up your pin code. So set up your pin code. So in order for you to continue, you have to log in by entering the code that you just set up now. So once you are done, you'll be brought to this interface, and this is where you are going to be getting your free $100 no deposit bonus. So the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your KYC, and within a period of 2 to 3 minutes, you would have been verified. All right, so stay tuned and pay attention to what I'll be showing you. So the next thing for you to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Click on this three line. Once you click on the three line, come down to bonuses and click on no deposit bonus. As you can see, there are a lot of bonuses over here, but the one we are going to go for is no deposit bonus. So click on no deposit bonus, click on start the procedure, and click on this place to verify your identity. You'll be snapping the front and the back of your NIN. You'll be uploading your ID, all right? So now that you're done verified, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on no deposit bonus. So once you click on no deposit bonus, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on continue. So once you're done clicking on continue, they will bring something like this out for you, and as you can see, congratulations, you have received no deposit bonus. As you can see, you have been credited with $100 no deposit bonus and the account is still active. So before I show you how to log in your bonus account on your MT4 platform, let me talk about the terms and condition. The terms and condition is quite simple. All you have to do is to trade 30 lot size, and once you are done trading 30 lot size, you'll be able to withdraw your profit. So now let's talk about how to log in your bonus account on your MT4 Trader app. To log in your bonus account on your MT4 Trader app, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email and copy your credentials. And as you can see, this is it on my screen, and I am blocking it from you guys because of security purpose. So copy your credentials and go to your MT4 Trader app, copy your login and your password. So once you do so, click on sign in, and immediately you click on sign in, you will see your balance and you can start trading. Thank you guys for watching. If you know that you have been able to get yours, don't forget to drop comment in the comment section so that the rest can know that this bonus is sure and legit. And also, if you have any difficulty that you are facing, don't forget to drop comment in the comment section and I will gladly reply to you immediately. Thank you guys. I love you. Enjoy your trade.